How to delete character and where winds meet. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you the easiest method possible for you to delete your character and where winds meet. Now, the very first thing that you want to have to do if you're currently in game is to access your settings at the top right. And once you're on settings, you just need to tap on this arrow pointing to your right, which is going to be the E key for you to go ahead and choose on other. Now under account info, just simply select bind account, and from there you should be able to have a lot of choices in linking your account. Now here's going to be the trick. Trick is linking your Where Winds Meet into NetEase Games, which is currently connected to Steam, for you to temporarily link it into NetEase Games. Once you successfully linked it, just unlink it once again, and once you re-log in on Where Winds Meet, you'll automatically be redirected into creating a fresh character. And that's it. That's how you delete character and where winds meet.